This product is so flippin' cute. By the time I'm done, I'm gonna have to punch a wall to feel manly again. Good afternoon, welcome to Turbo Tortoise Tech. If you're new here, I'm Reese of the 4-piece variety or XXL. And this is the first product of its kind that I've ever tested in over like 500 plus reviews. I've lost count long ago, in hundreds of reviews that I've done on just about every product under the sun. I've never reviewed something that was made for a specific age group. In this instance, for 8 to 12 years. All of its feature set is geared around an 8 to 12 year user, except for the size, because this thing actually fit my enormous pip. So don't worry, if your kid's got a big head, you're going to be sorted out with that at the same time. This little headset is one of the coolest things, therefore, that I've ever tested. I got to be real. It's so cool and it's so cute, and it's got the best little sticker pack I've ever seen in a set of product. Anyway, let's just start off with what's in the box. So inside of the very HyperX builded boxes and brandedness, it feels like a really high-end proper gaming product, but it's made for like 8 to 12 years, which I flippin' love about it. It's got obviously a headset. Inside of there, you've got a triple pole connector. So you've got the connectors like for your Xbox, PlayStation, the default audio jack 3.5mm, and then it's got a little Type-C connecting cable that comes with it as well. The 3.5mm is a little bit short, but I think that it's because it's been made with handheld devices being a primary, considering the age group. It is going to be, lighties on gamepads or Nintendo Switch, anything to that effect. So that's why they've made that cable a little bit shorter, just to make sure that it isn't cumbersome, it doesn't get tangled up with the rest of the bits. And then, like I said, this sticker pack has to be the coolest little sticker pack I've ever seen. And it just gives such an awesome feel to this, with this little HyperX, at least hedgehog is what they were going for. And it's so cute, man. It's so flipping cool. I absolutely love this. My niece is 12, so yeah, this is like something I would actually buy for her, because it's got a lot of safety features, like having a max volume at 85 decibels, so that they can't blow their little ears to pieces when they're still young, and those follicles and stuff on the eardrum are just a little bit more sensitive to audio. It's also got a nice little flip down microphone style, where it just kind of wraps around like that and then does a little flip out when you need it, and it is made shorter for shorter faces and stuff. Everything around this is really geared for for the little person, for the little human that then is going to be able to connect it either Bluetooth or with the 3.5mm jack to pretty much any device. It's got Chromebook certification, Nintendo, PlayStation, Xbox, you name it. It's been tested and tried on all of these different platforms. It's also got really good battery life. They quote 25 hours, and in my testing we were looking at about 22, 23. So that obviously wasn't on max volume, which is where I need to have it for my old ears, which I blew to pieces with subwoofers when I was a child. The ear cups are on ear, or super oral as they say. They have a nice little leather red finish to them. It's literally a HyperX Mini, which is kind of cool. It's got all of the look and feel and build quality that you would get from HyperX on the top as well. And just fantastically finished. I flippin' love it from that perspective. On the left-hand ear cup is where you've got your inputs and your controls. So you've got your 3.5mm, you've got your power, you've got your Bluetooth button, which is for connecting, disconnecting, can drop and answer calls and such on it. And then the charging port is tucked away in the top of the headset underneath one of the stalks over there. The stalks themselves have pretty good travel in and out like that. It even managed to fit on my enormous pip. I have problems with normal headsets that are made for bigger humans, for everybody, kind of, one size fits all, as it were. They very often don't fit, is a problem with me. So the fact that this, I'm not even kidding, on its max, I can actually use them, was a bit of a surprise to me, being made for 8 to 12 years. It's actually really not bad. They do get a little bit of head clampy on my size of head after a little while, but they're not really made for me. 2 hours worth of charging time to go from flat to full. You've got a battery meter built in on any of your Bluetooth connections. It does report its battery, which is really nice to have. But if you use it for a day and then plug it in at night, or when the kids are at school or whatever else they might be doing, you'll be fine. It'll do more than a day, and so it should be easy to use and keep maintenance of that battery. The microphone is also quite a nice one. It's actually got a bit of like clip guard kind of on it. It can go quite loud without clipping out. It is better on the wire versus the Bluetooth, but in both instances, it's just for basic chat and stuff. And it's still going to pick up enough of tones and stuff in your voice that you're going to know who's on the other end of the line. The audio from these, as I say, stops at 85 decibels, and it has been retweaked a little bit to take out like extreme bass and high-end, like high-pitched sounds that would be irritating to the ear. So it's more in the mid-range is where it's strongest, and I would say from about 250, 300 hertz sort of is where the bass really starts to be cut out, and then on like the 13 kilohertz and up is where that high pitched sort of stuff is cut out as well. If you're using them for gaming, the audio positioning is still really good. So your left and right split is really, really good. I'm quite surprised because these are really tiny little cans, but do you know what they actually just reminded me of? Is Sennheiser HD25-2s. They're very, very similar in build and their kind of ethos and stuff to that. I just kind of clicked on that. They're like a mini pair of DJ headphones that you can then give to your kids quite comfortably, and you know that they're going to be protected from those harsh sort of things until they're a little bit older and the ears are a bit more attuned to taking on those stronger tones. So as a product for 8 to 12 years, this is like 12 out of 10. The package, the contents, the flexibility, the fact you can use it on anything, the pretty good build quality. It's quite malleable as well, so you can bend and turn and stuff as needed. I mean, you can go full flat on these with the turning function over there. So it's going to be able to rotate to basically any head shape under the sun. And then even like as an adult, I could use these quickly if I needed to. I made a quick call on WhatsApp with them to a friend, and he was like, the mic actually sounded pretty good. All around, they're kind of incredible. Under $1,000 for something that's got a proper battery, Bluetooth wireless, can connect to anything, protects your kids from over harsh environments, good build quality. These things are flipping awesome. HyperX, this is like one of the coolest products I've ever tested. And if you don't know, I converted to their mouse a little while ago. For about a year, I was on a HyperX Pulsefire Haste because it was that good. Their peripherals are exceptionally good, and this is so cool. I know it's going to be niche and probably not a lot of people are going to look to buy it, but if you have a kid that you want to give these to, I would say even as young as 6, you're going to be fine on these. They're flipping awesome. I would say even up to like 14-ish years old, you're probably not going to have a problem, so they should get quite a lot of lifetime. And the fact that you can connect them with the 3.5mm jack, and they don't need power to do that, it connects just directly to the speakers and to the mic, means that when the battery dies, they're not a throwaway, so they don't become e-waste as well. I flippin' love them. These are very flippin' cool. But now, like I said, I gotta go punch a wall so that I can feel manly again. And so that is all I have for you on the HyperX Cloud Minis. If you have enjoyed this review, please do hit us up with a like and subscribe, and I will see you on the flip side.